Are you ready to draw this cute little sloth? Grab a pencil, we're starting right now. We're going to start out by drawing his head, which is kind of an oval shape on an angle, but we want to leave a little gap at the top and a bigger gap at the bottom. In that top gap, we're going to draw 3 curved lines to be that little tuft of hair at the top of his head. Then we'll draw this kind of apple shape inside of his head. That's going to be his face. We want to separate that from the head because sloths have lighter fur on their face than they do on the rest of their body. So when we color it in, we'll color that part lighter. On his face, we'll draw 2 big round circles for his cute eyes. Around each of his eyes, we're going to draw these big curves that connect with the side of his face. We're going to use these as the patches of darker fur when we color him in later on. In each eye, we're going to put some details to make them look cute and lively. We'll draw a little curved line at the bottom for the color in his eyes, and then a larger oval and a smaller oval for the eye shine. And 5 little lines to divide that crescent shape at the bottom of his eye. We'll add a little curve for an eyebrow and 2 eyelashes on the side of his eye. Then we'll repeat all the same details over on the right eye. You can either color the black parts of his eyes in now, or you can wait until you're doing your coloring later on. I'm going to color mine in now. I know we're moving along really quickly here, so when you need to, just pause the video to catch up. Also, if you like drawing cute cartoons, don't forget to check out my super cute cartoon playlist. I have all kinds of animals that you can draw step by step. I'll put the link in the description below. Now we'll just add a little upside down teardrop shape for the nose, and a small little curved line with 1 tick on the side for his shy little smile. Now let's get started on the sloth's body. We'll leave a gap between where his head is and where the body starts because that's going to be his arm hanging down. All we need to do is draw a big curve along the bottom for his bum, and then a fairly straight line on a little bit of a slant up and to the right for his leg. At the top of his leg, we'll make another curve and come back down the other side. And curve that line up a little bit where the leg meets his body. We'll add 1 more curved line for his belly, and that'll complete the body. He's starting to look like a sloth now, right? Okay, let's go back over to the left side of his face and start his arm where his shoulder would be. For the arm, we're just going to make 1 big sweeping curve down and then curl it around at the bottom to form his hand. And then on that hand, we'll put 3 claws. Sloth's claws are quite long and sharp, so try to make them long and thin if you can. Now we'll just start in between those bottom 2 claws and connect his hand to the main part of his body. Okay, let's go over and draw his other arm. So that's a curved line going almost straight up, and we'll curl it around for the hand, just the same way we did with the other one. But don't forget to leave a little gap in this one, because we're going to draw a branch that goes in front of his arm, but behind his hand, like he's gripping onto it. Be sure to draw those long, sharp claws and connect the hand to the body with another curved line. To the left of his back leg, we're going to draw a bit of an oval shape that's going behind that back leg. And don't forget to put the claws on that one as well and connect it to his body. Our sloth is pretty much done. We just need to give him something to hang on. So let's draw a branch. We'll draw a very slightly curved line from up above and then down into his hand, and then a second curved line for the bottom of the branch. And don't forget to leave that gap to the left because we're going to add some leaves after. We'll just skip over his hands and feet to continue the shape of the branch in behind them. Then we can go back over to where we left the gap and draw a couple of leaves, each with a line down the center. When you're all done your drawing, you can go over the lines with a nice dark black marker or pencil, and then add some color. Our sloth looks super adorable, but don't put down your pencil just yet. Up next, we're drawing a cute capybara. Click on the video on your screen to join in. See you over there.